The bike's wilderness rompers have been sitting tight from the Japanese produce for quite a long time, even decades, a top-of-the-line 450cc double-game cruiser with bloodline associated with its motocross cousins. The 2019 Honda CRF450L is here. The road-lawful CRF450L depends on the CRF450RX, which is, obviously, in light of the CRF450R motocrosser. It's energized by Honda's 449.7cc Unicam motor, and highlights a 2.0-gallon titanium fuel tank, customizable Showa suspension, aluminum outline and a 6-speed wide proportion transmission. It is relied upon to touch base at dealerships in September with a $10,499 MSRP. The trails are calm, and the all-new, street-legitimate CRF450L answers growing clients' rough terrain conceivable outcomes by empowering access to the best riding trails on open grounds, notwithstanding when that implies interfacing them by means of blacktop streets. In view of the CRF450R, the sturdy CRF450L is an undeniable rough terrain machine, however with road lawfulness accomplished by means of highlights like LED lighting, mirrors, and a devoted fuse framework, making this bicycle similarly at home in the forested areas, desert, or the streets in the middle.